When the fire alarm rang at Northvale High, everyone assumed it was another prank. Students laughed, chairs scraped back, and teachers shouted for order. In the chaos, no one noticed Ava Reynolds standing still in the middle of the hallway, her books scattered at her feet, blood trickling from her lip. Moments earlier, she had been shoved into a locker. Laughter followed her fall. It always did. 3 boys stood nearby, Ethan Cole and his shadows, Mark and Dylan. Ethan was popular, charming, untouchable. Teachers liked him, coaches defended him, and bullies like him always sensed who wouldn't fight back. Ava had learned long ago how to look harmless. She bent down slowly, gathering her books with steady hands. Her face showed no anger, no tears, just calm. That calm made Ethan uncomfortable. "Watch where you're walking, ghost girl," he sneered. Ava didn't respond. She never did. She had moved to Northvale just 3 months earlier, carrying everything she owned in one suitcase and a duffel bag. Her clothes were plain, her voice quiet, her presence easy to ignore. That was intentional, because Ava Reynolds wasn't new to violence. She was running from it. Her mother used to say Ava had inherited her father's eyes, observant, calculating. Her father, Captain Daniel Reynolds, had trained soldiers before he trained her. After school, instead of cartoons, Ava learned balance, restraint, and control. "Strength without discipline is just noise," he told her. He died 4 years ago, and Ava promised herself she would never use what he taught her unless there was no other choice. Northvale High tested that promise daily. The bullying started small: whispered names, notes shoved into her locker, a chair kicked out from under her in class. Teachers missed it, or pretended to. Ethan's smile always arrived before the consequences. Only one person noticed: Noah Parker. Noah walked with a cane after a childhood surgery left his leg weak. He sat beside Ava in history class, quietly sharing notes when her papers went missing. "You don't deserve this," he once said. Ava gave a small smile. "Neither do you." The breaking point came on a Friday. The gym buzzed with noise during a pep rally. Music blared, lights flashed. In the crowd, Ethan spotted Ava sitting alone on the bleachers, head down. He climbed up behind her. A hard shove sent her tumbling down several steps. The gym erupted in laughter. But Ava didn't cry. She stood, slowly. The noise faded as people sensed something had changed. Ethan laughed nervously. "Relax, it was an accident." Ava turned to face him. Her posture was different now, balanced, grounded. Her voice was calm, but it carried. "You've had many accidents. This is your last." Mark scoffed. "You think you can do something?" Ava exhaled once. What followed happened fast, but not chaotic. When Ethan lunged, Ava stepped inside his reach, redirecting his momentum and sending him crashing onto the mat below. Gasps echoed. Mark rushed her. She trapped his arm, twisted just enough to force him down without breaking anything. Dylan froze, unsure whether to run or fight. Ava looked at him. "Don't." He didn't. Silence filled the gym. Ava stepped back, hands open. No rage, no triumph. "I stayed quiet because I wanted peace," she said. "You mistook that for fear." Teachers stormed in. Phones recorded everything. Ethan was helped up, humiliated, exposed. Not beaten, but defeated. Later that day, the principal called Ava into the office. She told the truth. So did the videos. Ethan and his friends were suspended. Investigations followed. Parents demanded answers. And for the first time, the school listened. Ava walked home with Noah that afternoon. "You okay?" he asked. She nodded. "I didn't want revenge. But—" He smiled. "But sometimes," Ava said softly, "justice needs to be loud once, so silence can mean strength again." The next Monday, no one shoved her. No one laughed. And Ava Reynolds sat in class, quiet as ever, but no longer invisible.